Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to check traffic conditions on Google Maps for a specific time. So if you're on a desktop, which you can use, if you don't want to, you can use the phone. It's pretty much the same. So you need to just input your direction first, destination. All right, and in here, guys, you just need to type in traffic and then followed by the destination, like this. And then just choose light traffic in this area, as you can see, is being displayed. You can click here. So you just type in traffic New York, and now as you can see, you have this different interface where you are shown the live traffic, right? So as you can see, we have the this graph ranging from the green, right? So green meaning that it's not stopped, it's not congested, and to slow, where of course there's heavy congestion. So as you can see, if we here on the left, we have the green, and closer to the very center of New York, as you can see in here in South Williamsburg and Brooklyn Navy Yard, we have the heavy, as you can see, traffic congestion. And you can, of course, search up to the address, right? So you just type in just like the same, just like I showed you, traffic, New York, and then the address, for example. And you will see the traffic right close to that street, for example, or a place, maybe a cafe or a restaurant that you want to visit, and see, how fast you can get there. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very simply done. Input simple command in the search bar and you're good to go. Enjoy as always. If this helps, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.